Welcome to this GCSE revision question on forming and solving equations. For more revision questions like this, click on the pop-out banner to go check out my playlist on GCSE revision questions. This is going to be a walkthrough of this question. It is worth 4 marks, so ideally we should take 4 minutes to do this. Let's read the question and see what we know. So it might take a little bit longer than 4 minutes, I hope not. Let's read the question now. So the question basically says that ABCD is a kite. This is extra information that they didn't really need to give you. The fact that they mentioned that it's a kite, what do we know about a kite? Well, a kite is a very special quadrilateral, and what makes it special is that these two angles in the elbows, I call it the elbows, they are equal to each other. They're the same. They didn't need to tell me that AD, which is this line here, and AB, which is that line there, they didn't need to tell me that it's the same. That is given because of the fact that it's a kite. You're expecting it to be the same. If it's not the same, it's just some random quadrilateral, okay? Same thing down here, these two sides here are also the same. Okay, so now that we've established that, let's see what the question wants. Find the size of the smallest angle of the kite. Well, the smallest angle will be down here. All right, so all I need to do is find that angle down there. And because this is a kite, I also know that all the angles inside this shape add up to 360 degrees, and I will need to use that when I need to find this angle down here. Let's get to work. So in order to be able to know what's actually going on, I first of all need to find out what x is. And when I know what x is, then I can determine what these two angles here are. So let's form an equation and solve it. So I know that 5x take away 147 is equal to 2x. How do I know this? Well, I just said these two angles are the same. So if they're the same, I can put them equal to each other. So I put this equal to that, just there. Now in order to find x, I'm going to use my balancing method to solve this equation. So I'm going to take away 2x, take away 2x there. And when I take away the 2x, this becomes 3x, take away 147 is equal to nothing. Now I'm going to bring that 147 over to the other side. So I'm going to add 147 there, and therefore 3x is equal to 147. Divide that 147 by 3 and I will get 49. And just like that, I have bagged myself a couple of marks. So now that I've got a couple of marks, let's see what we can do with this then. If I know that x is 49, then I know double 49 is going to be 98. Let's put that in a different color. So it means that this angle here is going to be 98 degrees, which means that this angle is also 98 degrees. I am not going to work it out. Why? I've already said at the beginning here that these two are equal to each other. So once I know what x is, it's easy to now know what that angle is, and it's going to be the same for this angle. So the 98 becomes, I get that because it's 2 times 49. All right, now that I've got that, now we need to go down the job of working out what the smallest angle is. All angles add up to 360 degrees. So all I need to do is 360 degrees, take away the 2 98s and that 116 at the top there, and then we'll be good to go. And that should land us on 48 degrees. So the smallest angle for this is 48 degrees. Don't forget to write it on the line below. And that took us 4 minutes if you cut out all the bit that I said at the beginning.